about Surdic equation, we talk about sort that has to do with equations where you are asked to find the unknown. So if you look at this question, there is unknown that you will be asked to find. That's why they say we should solve the equation. This is a Surdic equation. So let's solve the example and see how it works. So here we have the square root of 4x minus 3 minus root 2x minus 5 equal to 2. To make this equation easy for you to solve, what do? You let m equal to 4x minus 3 and n 2x minus 5. So which means our equation is going to be root m minus root n equal to 2. Now we are going to square both sides because we need to remove what is inside the bracket. So square both sides. Now if we square both sides, we have root m minus root n all squared equal to 2 squared. Now this actually implies root m minus root n in two places. Root m minus root n equal to, this will give us 4. So from here we can continue. We'll expand the brackets. Root m times root m will give us m. Root m times root n will give us minus root mn. Now minus root n times this will give us minus m root n. So minus times minus will give us plus. Root n times root n will give us n equal to 4. So here we have m plus n. Root m n minus root mn minus root mn will give us minus 2 root mn equal to 4. So we can separate this one to this side, allow this one to be at the left hand side. So we have minus root mn equal to 4 minus m minus n. But m is equal to 4x minus 3, n equal to 2x minus 5. So anywhere you see m now, you can replace it. So here we have minus 2, m is 4x minus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 5 equal to 4 minus 4x minus 3 minus 2x minus 5. Okay, so we can expand it. We can expand what we have inside here. So, but before we can do that, we'll have to simplify what we have at the right hand side. Here we now have minus 2 or 4x minus 3, 2x minus 5 equal to 4. If you open the bracket, you have minus 4x Minus times minus will give us plus 3. Minus times plus will give us minus 2x. Minus times plus will give us plus 5. You can always collect like terms. You can always collect like terms. So here we have minus 2 or 4x minus 3, 2x minus 5 equal to 4 plus 5 will give us 9 plus 3 minus 4 x minus 2, that's minus 6x. So we have minus 2x minus 2 root 4x minus 3, 2x minus 5 equal to, this will give us 12 minus 6x. Okay? So, but 2 is common. 2 can divide both sides. You divide both sides by minus 2. If you divide both sides by minus 2, you see that you are going to have root 4x minus 3 into 2x minus 5 equal to 3x minus 6. So now here, since we've simplified the right hand side up to this point, we can go further to expand what is inside the bracket. Now inside the bracket we have 4x times 2x will give us 8x squared. 4x times minus 5, that will give us minus 20x. Minus 3 times 2x will give us minus 6x. Minus 3 times minus 5 will give us plus 15 equal to 3x minus 6. Now at this juncture, we want to remove what is inside the square root. We can square both sides. The square both sides. So if you square both sides, that is, you have, if you square both sides, you square this side and you square this side. So you now have exactly what is inside the square root. You have 8x minus 20x minus 6x will give us minus 26x minus 26x plus 5 plus 15 equal to. Now if you apply to this side, it means that this is 3x minus 6x, or 3x again, 6x. You expand the left hand side again. So we have 8x squared minus 26x plus 15 equal to, you expand the bracket, you have 3x times 3x will give us 9x squared. Okay, so 3x times minus 6 will give us minus 18x. Now this time this will give us minus, that's minus 3 times this will give us minus 18x. Minus times minus is plus. This time this will give us 36. So we now collect like terms. We can collect like terms by moving everything you have at the right hand side, at the left hand side of the equation to the right hand side, thereby writing it as 9x squared minus 8x squared. Okay, here we have this already as 36, so minus 36x, because minus 18x minus 18x will give us minus 36x. So now this one is plus. When it crosses the equality sign, become plus, so it becomes plus 26x. So here we have 36 minus 15. Okay, this is equal to 0. 9x minus 8x squared will give us x squared. So minus 36x plus 26x, that will give us minus 10x. So we have 36 minus 15, that will give us plus 21 equal to 0. Now we'll factorize the equation. This is not a quadratic equation you can factorize. So you look for the two factors here. The two factors we have here is x squared equal to minus 7x minus 3x plus 21 equal to 0. We group it, so 7x minus into 3x, because here is minus, this one will have to be minus, so this is minus 21 equal to 0. What is common here? X is common. We have x minus 7. What is common here? 3 is common. So we have x minus 7 equal to 0. So since here and here are common, we pick one, x minus 3 into x plus x minus 7 equal to 0. So you pick one of them and equate it to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 plus 3 equal to 3. You pick the second one. X plus 7 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 plus 7, that is equal to 7. Hence, the value of x is equal to 3, 7.